Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. Before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash the heck out of that red subscribe button, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once they hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Hello Neighbors dimension, and we're gonna see exactly what kind of activity he's up to, guys, if he actually has a body in his basement. But what you guys are gonna need to head to this dimension is you're gonna need 10 purple wool, and you want to go ahead and place 2 of them on the ground just like that, guys. Then you're gonna need fur yellow wool, and you want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your purple wool. Then what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and jump on up on this yellow wool and place 1, 2, 3 purple wool, followed by 1 yellow wool on top. Then you just want to go ahead, you want to look around, make sure nobody's watching you, nobody at all. And after you find out that nobody's watching you, you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and you want to go ahead and you want to place 1, 2, 3 purple wool, then 2 purple wool in the middle, and then 1 yellow wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. Now all you want to do is light this baby up and head to the Hello Neighbors dimension, guys. So whip out your flint and steel and get ready to light this baby up. Boom! Wow, guys, don't that look absolutely amazing? Now it's time to go ahead and head on in to this dimension, guys. Boom! We actually landed it that time, guys. Hopefully this loads up quick. Oh my god, guys. Whoa, he has a huge house, and he even has a windmill. Oh my god. Whoa, what's inside these chests? Nothing's inside this chest, nothing inside this chest, nothing inside this chest, nothing inside this chest. What the heck is going on, guys? Why is there nothing inside any of these chests? But wow, guys, I cannot believe his house is so huge, and what the heck is this? I think this was supposed to be like a car or something, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and catch it on fire. But wow, guys, he has an absolutely humongous house. And oh my god, he even has telephone wires. What? I have never seen somebody make telephone wires like those. But whoa, right here's a car, guys. I'm going to catch it on fire. He is not going to be leaving. That is for sure, guys, because I am burning up all the vehicles. But then again, that kind of means I'm not going to be leaving either. I'm not really sure what that was supposed to be. But let's go ahead and head on into this house. What the heck? What? I can't get in, guys. I can't get into the front door. I guess I'm just going to have to go and bust in the wall. I guess that's what I'm going to have to do, guys. I wish I could actually do this in real life. If somebody wasn't opening up, I could just bust down the wall. But whoa, guys. This place is pretty suspicious. Oh my god, guys. This must be where he watches TV. Or maybe this is where he watches me. Maybe he has like cameras set up all over Minecraft and he watches all of us, guys. That would be pretty creepy if that's what he did. But whoa, guys, what was this? This is just like an empty room. And what? This is just like a room with 1 bed. And it actually has a window where you can look outside from inside, but the outside's inside. That's kind of weird, guys. And whoa, this don't even work, that door right there. Is this going to turn on the lights? What? That don't even turn on the lights? Oh my god, what's this supposed to be? The table? And then this is the sink. And I can see everything outside, guys. What's this? Like the mini fridge? That's what that must be, guys. Like a mini fridge. My fridge is absolutely huge in my house. Like, it's taller than me. But whoa, guys. That must have been his closet. And oh my god, this is an elevator. What? Oh my god, you guys know it. I have to use this. Whoa, guys, it actually looks like when you're heading up one of them elevators, which is pretty cool, guys. I need to do this in my house. In my real house. Look at my pig. Even he loves it, guys. But I think he's kind of stuck down there because he's too big to climb the ladder, and he's too big to go down the ladder. But oh my god, right there's the neighbor. Whoa, guys, I am not going to tell him to cut his grass if it's too tall, if you know what I mean. Let me go ahead and shoot him. Does he know I shot him? Oh my god, I think he might. Let me shoot him again. Does he know I shot him? Oh my god, he's coming this way. He's coming this way. Boom, take that right to the mustache. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I think he is on to me. I think his pants are a little too tight and he's not getting enough blood circulation to his head. I think that might be going on. But let me go ahead and light this TNT up because I am not going to take any chances of him coming over here trying to put his baby fist in my face. Boom, take that. Bang. Ooh, oh my god, I'm falling. I actually survived? What? I think I killed him though, guys. I think he died, which is a good thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and catch his whole house on fire, guys. I'm going to catch his whole house on fire. Hopefully the whole thing burns down and nobody ever has to deal with being put in his basement again, guys, because I know he's been kidnapping Minecraft players and he's definitely been putting them in his basement, guys. Let me know if you know anybody that got put in his basement. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.